Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to create a bootable Windows USB and suddenly get the error, the file install.wim is too large for the destination, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. So, here's what's going on. The file install.wim inside the Windows ISO is usually larger than 4 GB. But most USB drives are formatted as FAT32, and FAT32 cannot handle files bigger than 4 GB. That's why when you try to copy the file, you get this error. To fix this, open Command Prompt as administrator. Carefully type the command as shown on your screen, or simply copy it from the description and paste it here. Replace G: with your mounted ISO drive, and H: with your USB drive. This command will split the large file into smaller parts that FAT32 supports. Done. Your USB is now ready without any errors. That's it. Now you know how to fix the install.wim is too large error quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.